Welcome to Course 1 of the French Novice level. Our goal is to help you understand anyone who speaks to you in French and to help you speak so that any French-speaking person understands you. So we will start by grounding you in French pronunciation, teaching you the rules behind spoken French. You will also learn the numbers and the particularity of the French numeral system. We will begin by building your vocabulary and teaching you the informal way of greeting family and friends. You will learn to describe who you are, where you live, the things you do for fun, like the sports you play or the music you listen to. You will learn the basic words and expressions to speak about those that are close to you, your family, your friends, your favorite pets, etc. From this course, you will learn what you need to participate in friendly and casual everyday conversations. So, let's get started.